Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Omer Sub Mistral diving watch and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first is troubleshooting. If you feel like this dive watch is not working right, it's not giving you the right measurements and stuff like that, you can do a hard reset and that will clear out a lot of the issues. The other reason is if you just want to restore everything to the way it was when it came out of the box so that you can set up all the configurations on it, we can go ahead and do that. So all we need to do is we're going to start by coming here and pressing this button here to get to the time setting. And when we see that the second hand starts to blink, then we know we can go into the reset process. So the next thing we'll do is we're going to come in and we're going to press and hold these two buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds. The watch will beep, and then we'll get like a little reset N, which means reset no on the screen. And we can hit either of these buttons to toggle. Just hit either of these buttons once, and then this will turn into RST Y, which is to confirm yes, the reset. And then once we get that, then we can come in here and press this button here. That will confirm the reset, and the watch will completely reset, turn off, and all the time and all the settings and everything will be reset to the factory settings.